Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you 3 simple wraps recipes. First, I want to say that I've tried to make homemade tortilla recipe, but it was a fail, as you can see in the video. It looked good, but I swear it wasn't, especially the gluten-free ones, which were inedible. So I'm using store-bought ones. We are gonna start with the first one, which is a chickpeas mixture. So we're gonna start to mash 200 grams of chickpeas, and I'm struggling here, so I've switched after for a fork. You can mash until there's no big chunks of chickpeas. Then I'm adding half of a red onion, cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of soya yogurt here, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, peppers and salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of vegan mayo. Then you can start mixing. And I added after 1 handful of parsley. You can add any fresh herbs you have. Then you mix again. I did that the day before, so it really helps the flavors to incorporate the chickpeas. Then on a tortilla you can add a few tablespoons of this mixture, and I also put some lamb lettuce. You can use any fresh vegetables you have in hand. It's gonna add even more freshness to the wrap. Struggled again to fold my wrap. You can heat a little bit the wrap, so it's gonna get a bit softer than mine that were from my fridge. And here is the final result. This one is really fresh and really has a nice texture, and I really like the chunks of raw onions inside. Then I'm gonna show you a hummus and grilled roasted vegetables, and then my favorite, it's kind of a breakfast wrap one. I'm gonna cut 2 small potatoes into very small cubes. I'm boiling the potato cubes until they are tender. While the potatoes are cooking, I'm gonna cut cauliflower. I'm gonna roughly cut also into big chunks half of a red onion. Once the potatoes are cooked, place them into a bowl and you can add the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a bit of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, some salt, and then you can mix it up until everything is well coated. Then add the potatoes to the same tray with the other vegetables. I added a bit of olive oil and some cumin and salt. Then cook it for 20 minutes up to 200 degrees Celsius. Then I'm gonna cook some mushrooms. So in a pan, I cooked the mushrooms with a bit of olive oil, some soya sauce and mixed herbs until they are golden brown. And here are the mushrooms and the vegetables freshly cooked. For the hummus and grilled veggies, I added some hummus. I already have a video on my channel. I'm gonna add a few tablespoons on the tortilla. Then I'm gonna add a few pieces of the cauliflower and red onions. Some spinach and lettuce. And some sriracha hot sauce. And here's the result. This one is really simple and you can really change the vegetables and adapt with what you like and what you want, and it's really yummy. For the last recipe, I'm adding a few tablespoons of the scrambled tofu, and I already have a video on how to make this scrambled tofu. The cooked mushrooms, some of the baked potatoes, and some spinach. I also added some sprouted arugula, but you can add every fresh vegetables you want. Roll it, and this is the last one. Perfect for a breakfast or a lunch. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you try this recipe, let me know, comment, or tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creation. Bye, see you soon!